8th grade tour, I saw the welders. I thought it looked pretty fun, so I decided I would try it. And it looks like a really fun experience, and it is a really fun experience. I did a 1G welding competition, and I placed in the top 30 out of 400 people, and I got selected to go to state for it. I just put in all the hard work, and it's paying off. I come here every tutoring day. I practice every day, and it's just practice makes it better. After high school, I want to work on oil rigs out in the ocean or pipeline all around the world and travel the world. My advice for incoming freshmen for CTE, just try anything. If it's not for you, then there's always something. Like, you can always look for other things.